Hello, welcome back to Code Cloud and DevOps Ask Me Anything. I got another interesting question and it goes thus. Does a DevOps engineer need to learn backend frameworks like Django or Flask, or he or she should just focus on DevOps tools like Terraform, Ansible, and the rest? And the other bit of the question is this. What advice can you give for a person to 10x his DevOps skills and become job ready? Now, that's a very interesting question, and I really love it because it goes directly straight to the point and asks for advice on how to grow in the career path that you've chosen. To the first question, as a DevOps engineer, you are responsible for managing the entire software development lifecycle from code deployment to managing and maintaining the infrastructure the code is deployed on. And this requires generally a broad range of skills, including the knowledge of DevOps tools like Terraform, Ansible, CI/CD, cloud platforms, containers, and a whole lot more. I've actually made a video on the roadmap to DevOps engineering, and you can check that out using the link showing right now. Now, while it's not strictly necessary to learn backend frameworks or front-end languages or the core programming language being used for the program or the application you're deploying, having some knowledge of that framework or that tool or that language you'll be deploying can be helpful. Now, backend frameworks, like you've asked, like Django and Flask, are used to build web applications and APIs and then deployed and managed by DevOps engineers. So, if you understand how these frameworks work, you can help better manage your deployment and maintenance of these web apps. You can, configure the best kind of resources for them because you probably know the benchmarks and all the rest of the things they need to run effectively. Now, that being said, the best approach to learning DevOps depends on your own career goals and interests. Now, if you're interested in working on the backend side of things, learning a framework like Django or Flask can be a great way to to gain your experience and build your own skills. However, if you're more interested in the DevOps side of things, you might want to focus on learning the core DevOps tools and practices, and then learn just a little bit of the frameworks and tools you'll be deploying, because that really helps a lot. I can't stress that enough. The stack, if you understand the stack, you can deploy the resources better. It's just as simple as that. Now, there are many resources online to help you learn DevOps, including online courses and boot camps and training programs. But ultimately, the key to success in DevOps is hard work, dedication, and willingness to continuously learn. With the right mindset and resources, you can become a successful DevOps engineer, regardless of your background or experiences or the frameworks you choose to learn. And to your second question, if you want to 10x your DevOps skills and become job ready, there are several things you can do. Just duplicate yourself about 10 times. No, just kidding. Don't do that. Now, here are some tips I could give you on how to achieve that. To get started. First is, of course, learn the fundamentals. Once you learn the fundamentals of DevOps, the basics, including the philosophies, the principle, and practice that underpin the field, you are on a good path to start. And the second one is to own your skill set. Developing your skills in areas like infrastructure automation, cloud computing, container orchestration, and security best practices will go a long way in helping your DevOps career. And also, you should gain practical experience. You look for opportunities to gain hands-on experience with DevOps tools and technologies, either through self-paced projects, internships, personal projects, open source contributions, and all the rest like that. They go a long way to actually solidifying those skill sets you've chosen to learn. And also, you want to document your learnings. You should keep a record of what you learn and how you apply it so you can demonstrate that skill to potential employers, either by writing a blog post, making a video on it, or just ensuring that it's somewhere on GitHub or open source platforms that let you showcase your work. You don't have to build a website for it. You can use the free community blogging platforms to actually demonstrate that experience. And that goes a long way for the potential employers to actually see also. And I'll give an example of myself really. Most of I'll probably even say all of the jobs I've gotten in the last 3 roles I've been because someone found me online. It's because someone saw what I was doing, the documentation I was doing on the things I'm learning, and videos like this one that I'm making. That is how I was discovered. And then they were like, oh, I like your content. I think you'll be a great fit for this role. And then boom, I'm doing the role. So that's that about that. That's the summary of the answer I'll actually give to you. And I'll encourage you to actually join my online community, which I've just started, so that we can, chat about these things and just have a free nice time. I'll put the links in the video description and also as a pinned comment, so you can also get updates on videos I'm making just like this one. First-hand information comes really handy. Now, I really hope that answered the question, and I hope to hear from you in the comment section and also on the community. If you have more Code, Cloud, and DevOps Ask Me Anything questions, feel free to send them using the link showing right now upon your screen, or scan the QR code showing right about now. You can also find the link in the video description and also the pinned comment. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, remember to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and anyone you think might actually need it. And remember to also subscribe if you have not done so, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any further videos like this one. Until I come your way again with yet another video, stay safe and goodbye.